Road safety doesn't just start when you get behind the wheel. This program is designed for young people to make safer choices before they get the keys to drive. So we're delivering Road Smart KickStart, an interactive and immersive program for year 7 to 8s. It's in a gamified format that includes tactile stations and also digital stations. What we do understand is that a lot of people in our regions are high on our KSI, which is killed and seriously injured. So that's why we're bringing Road Smart KickStart to the regions to try and focus on behaviour change at a young age. So they'll be learning around decision-making skills, and also we've got 5 different stations that incorporate different learnings.
I've loved playing the games, they're really fun.
It's aligned to the curriculum, so teachers can relax knowing all bases are covered.
I think they've had a great time this morning. They've had, lots of fun, interactive things to do, and they said that that's what they wanted. So yeah, I think they've had a really good time.
You can head to our website, Everyday Safer, book in, it's really exciting, and we will come out to your region.